Welcome to deVere China. We believe every expat deserves access to simple, common sense advice for their investments and financial lives. We achieve this by providing personal relationships with highly educated, motivated people, backed up with the very best digital applications and fintech in the industry. We live in the same country and have the same experiences as our clients. This gives us a unique and accurate perspective on what we all as expats need. We are currently looking for ambitious people to grow our team. So come join us.